Yo, check it out. I'm about to show y'all some clips of what went on last night because I'm just not getting up out of Miss Church. Forgive me, Jesus. You know what I'm saying? Just how much fun we had, and then I went off and just off and had fun with my little friend. Take a damn. But that's a whole nother story that I could not let y'all know nothing about. But we like super duper high, super drunk. We is getting fucked up, bringing in the Virgo month in correct. You figure deal me? Because we do know how to party, even though others be hating on us like that. But you know, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? But we chilling, we getting fucked up. The other films that you're about to see, make the best of them out of them. I don't give a fuck if you can't see them. We weren't trying to be perfect, nigga. This ain't KG Studios. We just was doing some shit. Figure deal me. So keep your comments and your roasters to yourself. Turkeys. You figure deal me. But that was us just being goofy. The next film though, try our best. Really listen to the conversation that's going on. You figure deal me. I know my ass is ghetto and country as hell because the laugh for me is it's in the background. I'm just laughing because the shit was hilarious. But Angie's flipping out, which is me, Felicia, Jaleel, and this lady named Miss Angie. And she just flipping out because her man done left her, did some crazy hood rat type shit. If y'all get the drift, you know what I'm saying? If you know street sense, y'all I mean. But they're flipping out and we having too much fun because they my cousin and my cousin them is playing pranks on her phone. So she thinking that it's people to get it fooled with. So it's really nothing there, y'all. It's like ghosts. Yeah, I mean, but I'm gonna let y'all get to the clips to trip out. Like I said, make the best of it, niggas. I one.